Zanu PF Chikomba West Legislator Tatenda Mavetera was forced to cancel a rally to celebrate the election victory at the last minute after party supporters snapped here because of the alleged support for President Emerson Mnangagwa's alleged bid to extend his term beyond 2028. Ashpere mushe muri Zimbabwe tuna kuti aiwa nawo yeED 2030 campaign aiwa yachizokora moto munhu opinda pakaoma saka midabashoka buda chinyongwa muzara nhasi noti subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Tina the Standard newspaper nyora vachiti the event was scheduled for Garwe Stadium in the transit town of Chivu, Chikomba district, but a poor turnout forced Mavetera to cancel the event in frustration. Zanu PF insiders told the Standard that Mavetera, who is also the Information and Communication Technology Minister, was forced to postpone the event indefinitely, fearing embarrassment. Some party members allegedly sabotaged the event as factionalism grows over Mnangagwa's third term bid. Don't know anything about it. Pana pamurezi mapo noda kokuti toona kuti vamwe supporters aidi Mnangagwa taona kuti pane mafactions maviri, vamwe vari kuti idi Mnangagwa ngaawane atine the 2028 ngaatonge beyond 2028, vamwe vari kuinda against vari kuti hazviiti. Muri Zimbabwe ndona yana rakabatira panapa notoona kuti the rally yanga yakascheduliwa kuChivu yabve yamisiwa zvinzi aiwa pane sabc chida kuitwa. Pina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu, subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.